my favorite first graders. Happy Tuesday, February the 23rd of 2021. What do you think we're going to work on today in social studies? We will identify the inventor, Madam C.J. Walker. Can you pretty please say this woman's name with me? It's here in yellow. Madam C.J. Walker. Nice. Have you heard of her? Yes or no? Don't worry. Today you will identify who she is and what did she invent. We talked about some inventors before. Remember, an invention is a new idea. Madam C.J. Walker's gonna have a new idea. How will we study her new idea today? We will read facts on Pebble Go to illustrate and explain the invention of the hair products. Say that yellow word with me. Invention. Awesome. We already talked about an invention, and you saw my hair products. Say hair products with me, please. Hair products. Beautiful. Do you use any hair products? Yes or no? Thanks to Madam C.J. Walker, she was one of the first inventors of hair products. Why are we studying her today? We will understand the influence of Madam C.J. Walker. More than just creating hair products for us to have great hair, she was also a very important woman for a lot of reasons. Today, you're going to identify those reasons, and we will draw and write in our journals. First, let's go to pebblego.com and learn a little more about Madam C.J. Walker and her hair products. Ears on.
Pebble Go.
Pebble Go has some important facts for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides. Here we go on the introduction. Let me make sure my volume is up for you to hear these facts. Here we go.
Inventor and millionaire Madam C.J. Walker was born December 23, 1867. Her given name was Sarah Breedlove. Her parents, Owen and Minerva, were formerly enslaved. They lived on a small cotton farm.
All right, let's break down some of these facts. Inventor, we know what that is. A person who has a new idea, creates something new. And millionaire. Say that word with me, please. Millionaire. What's a millionaire?
Millionaire. Someone whose money and land are worth at least $1 million.
$1 million. Are you a millionaire? Do you have $1 million of money or land? Yes or no? Madam C.J. Walker was a millionaire. Wow. So that means she made a lot of money or had a lot of land. And let's learn how'd she do that. She was born December 23rd in the year 1867. Say that year with me, please. 1867. Nice. That is a long time ago in the past. Remember, we studied the past. It's behind us. You have a clue of the past by this photograph that is not in color. It is Madam C.J. Walker back in 1915. Her given name, that means the name her parents gave her, was Sarah Breedlove. But later, she's named Madam C.J. Walker. So something is changing with her name as she grows up. Her parents were named Owen and Minerva. They were formerly enslaved. We've had this word before, remember?
Enslave. To force someone to be owned and controlled by another person. An enslaved person is forced to work without pay and does not have freedoms.
Enslaving people is wrong. It was very wrong in the past. We learned about this when we talked about George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. who changed slavery. But this means back when Madam C.J. Walker's parents, Sarah Breedlove's parents, were younger, they were enslaved. She was not, but her parents were. That means that they had to work with no pay. They lived on a small cotton farm. Do you know what cotton is? It's a plant that has little fluffy white balls that grow on it that we use to make soft items like clothing. All right, let's move on to tab number 2. Early life.
In 1882, Sarah married Moses McWilliams. They had a daughter, Lalia. In 1888, Moses died. Sarah then worked washing clothes. The harsh soaps made her scalp itch and her hair fall out.
Yikes! All right, so 1882, she gets married to a man named Moses McWilliams. They have one daughter, Lalia. In 1888, that's just 6 years later, her husband dies. So she begins working to wash clothes. But the harsh soaps, we know what soap is. We use it to wash our hands, our hair, our clothing. It's harsh. What does harsh mean?
Harsh. Unpleasant or hard.
Unpleasant is no good. Hard? Do you want your clothing to feel hard? Do you want to use soap that's hard? So this harsh soaps, maybe it was really, really strong for washing these clothes, made her scalp itch. Itch. We know what itch is. What's your scalp?
Scalp. The skin that covers the top of the head where hair grows.
The top of your head, where your hair grows, is called your scalp. Say that word with me, please. Scalp. Nice job. Her scalp was itching. Has your scalp ever itched? Yes or no? And it made her hair fall out. How would you feel if your hair fell out? I would not like that either. So she is working for her daughter. Her husband has died. And now the soap is really hurting her scalp and making her hair fall out. That's a problem.
Sarah got a scalp treatment. It changed her life. Soon she was selling hair products. In 1905, Sarah began work on her own hair product. She married Charles Joseph Walker in 1906 and became Madam C.J. Walker.
Ooh, there, she changed her name. Remember, she was born Sarah Breedlove is what her parents named her. Now she's married a second time to a man named Charles Joseph. So she changes her name to Madam C.J. Walker. Oh, sorry, his name was Charles Joseph Walker. So now she's Madam C.J. Walker. All right, so what else did she do? Remember that hair was falling out? She got a scalp treatment. We know what the scalp is. What's a treatment? You think it's a good thing or a bad thing? It changed her life. Is that a good thing, you think, or a bad thing? Treatment.
Treatment. A medicine or other kind of cure.
Oh, is medicine a good thing or a bad thing? A cure means it fixes an illness. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? So, her hair's falling out. She gets a treatment, a cure for her scalp. It changes her life. So soon she is selling the hair products. What are products?
Product. Something that is made.
So she has something made for your hair. She's selling it. Then she began to work on her own. So instead of selling someone else's, she's like, I'm going to make my own. I can put my name on it, use my own ingredients. She's going to work on her own hair product.
Soon, Madam C.J.'s hair product was ready to sell. She called it Wonderful Hair Grower. Her product was a hit. Madam C.J. invented more hair products to sell. Her business grew fast. In 1910, she opened a factory in Indiana.
All right, so her product that she made for hair is ready to sell. It's called the Wonderful Hair Grower. Do you want to buy the Wonderful Hair Grower? Grow your hair wonderfully? Yes or no? Her product was a hit. You think that's a good thing or a bad thing? Like a hit? Like a baseball hit? Like she knocked it out of the park. It's a really good thing. It is selling, growing fast. So she's got to invent more hair products to sell. Now that she's making so many things, she has to open a factory in Indiana. What's a factory?
Factory. A building where products are made in large numbers.
So instead of at your house, now she's at a building, a factory, where they're making lots of her hair products. Not just one at a time, but lots, because it's selling fast. Last slide.
Through her hard work, Madam CJ became the first self-made female millionaire. Madam CJ died May 25th, 1919, at age 51. She is known as an inventor and leader for African American women and business owners.
She worked very hard to become the first self-made female millionaire. We already know a millionaire is someone who has enough money or land to be $1 million worth. She's self-made because she did it by herself. She invented those products. She's known for being an inventor and a leader for African American or Black women and business owners. She had her own business, her own factory, her own hair products that she created. She died when she was only 51. But she taught a lot of women that you can do it. We can do it. If you have an idea or if you see a problem that you want to fix, like your hair falling out, you can do it if you put your mind to it and you work hard. She became the first female millionaire. You go, girl. I love Madam C.J. Walker. And it's time for us to explain why this woman was so important. What did she do? What did she teach us? What did we learn from her today? You're going to need 3 things. Please get out your pencil. Please get out your journal. And get your crayons. We've got to write and draw Miss Madam C.J. Walker. I'll see you soon in video number 2.